Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're trying to move money from your Cash App balance straight over to your Apple Pay, you've probably noticed that there isn't a direct transfer button anywhere inside the menu. So I'm going to show you the quickest workaround to link the two ecosystems together so you can shift your funds instantly. So the secret to bridging the gap between both platforms is by using your digital or physical cash or app debit card. So open up your Cash App, tap on the Cash Card tab. On your bottom menu, select Add Apple Pay. If that automated button doesn't show up for some reason, you can easily do it manually. Just open up your iPhone's built-in Apple Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and then choose debit card or credit card when you're adding. Select Enter Card Details manually at the bottom and copy your card number and expiration codes straight from your Cash App settings. Accept the terms and your card will load into your wallet. Then guys, so once your Cash card is safely saved inside your device's wallet, you can use it to fund your Apple Pay balance. So open your Apple Wallet tab, tap on your primary Apple Cash card, and hit the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Add Money, type in your exact dollar amount you want to transfer. Just remember that Apple sets a $10 minimum for deposits. Then click Add in the corner. Now, when the payment sheet slides up from the bottom of your screen, tap the smallest credit card select arrow and make sure you switch your funding source or to your Cash App card. Double-click your phone's side button to approve, and boom, money is sent. And that's all it takes. Enjoy as always, guys, and don't forget to like the video.